Introducing the HiBREW H10 Plus Coffee Machine. Today, we'll be making a refreshing iced coffee juice. Start by taking your ground coffee and pressing it firmly into the handle. Turn on the machine and let it warm up. Place the handle into the HiBREW H10 Plus. Adjust the temperature and volume settings to your preference. Begin the extraction and wait until it's finished. Now take a cup and fill it with your favorite juice. Add some cold milk, then pour the extracted coffee on top. Enjoy your iced coffee juice, made with HiBREW.